Here's how to unzip file in iPhone. So currently I'm in my iPhone Files app, and here we can see a zip file. Now in iPhone, to extract a zip file, all you have to need, tap on the zip file and the file will be automatically extract. Now open the folder, and here you will find all files and folders. And now I will show you another way to unzip zip file. So you have to install an app. So go to your app store and search here iZip, and all you have to need, install this free and lightweight app in your iPhone. Once the app successfully installed, go ahead and open the iZip app, and here tap on files, and here you will find all files. Now to unzip any zip file using this app, you have to go to your Files app again and navigate to the zip file. Now long press on your zip file that you want to unzip, and here tap on share, and here you have to tap on iZip, and the zip file will add in this iZip app. Here tap on OK to extract the zip file. Now all you have to need, go ahead and launch the iZip app, and here go to files, and here you will find the zip file that we just imported here, and here we can see the file successfully extracted, and here we can see all of my files. So that's how we can unzip zip files. Thanks for watching.